Draw a graph of the function y is equal to 12 over x plus x minus 6 between 1 and 8. Again, we've got a table here, but again, in the IGCSE, normally some of the boxes are filled in, but we will just fill a few in so we can see what we're doing here. So if we take 1 and we do 12 divided by 1, which we should have 12 here, 12 divided by 2 will give me 6, by 3, 4, by 4, 3, and then we 2.4, 2, 7 will be a bit interesting, 1.71, 8 will be 1.5, and 1.5 I haven't done. I will talk about 1.5 in a minute. Okay, this will just be x's, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then this will just be a rows of minus 6. Okay, what we do here then exactly the same as we've done before. 12 plus 1 is 13, take away 6 gives me 7. 6 plus 2, take away 6 will give me 2, and we'll do that so on. Okay, because here there's a bit of a big gap between 7 and 2, we took an extra point of 1.5 and we worked out the values for that. Okay, and that was 8, 1.5, minus 6, and 3.5, so we got the last set of coordinates there. We weren't required to do that in the exam, but sometimes it's worth taking an extra point. Right, so we plot these points on a graph. Again, you would be given the axes in IGCSE. So we would plot 1, 1, 7, which is there. Okay. Again, the axes here are the same, so it's a bit easier. 1.5, 3.5. Okay. 2, 2, 3, 1. 4, 1, okay, 5, 1.4. Because these two are the same, it seems to suggest that there will be a minimum point somewhere. We plot those points on the curve and we join them up, okay, making sure that the curve goes slightly lower here. At the one end, we should label the curve as well. Use the graph to find approximate values for the minimum value of 12 over x plus x minus 6. Okay, so that's going to be like halfway between 3 and 4. Okay, so we just read off our graph here and we get 0.9. You should put on the graph any sort of dotted lines that you are going to use to work out the answer. The value of 12 over x plus x minus 6 when x is equal to 2.25. So x is equal to 2.25, you get 1.6. The gradient of the tangent drawn to the curve at the point where x is equal to 5. Okay, so here is the point x is equal to 5. What you need to do is draw a line which just touches the curve at x is equal to 5. It is very, very difficult to do. If you follow the further maths course, and like you're in one of the top sets, you will do AS and you will do calculus. So by the time you do the IGCSE exam, you could probably work out what the gradient should be there and draw the tangent that way. But meanwhile, that is what the tangent looks like. It's a line which just touches the curve at this particular point. The gradient of the tangent will be BC over AC, which is that distance. Using the scales on the graph. Okay, so this will be 3 because it's obvious. Okay, this would be 8, take away 2.4. Okay, it's going to give 3 over 5.6, which is approximately equal to 0.54.